So good day guys, welcome back to the channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe, do well by clicking on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, we'd love to watch out for it. So let's take a look at AUD USD. So we are now on the reversal move. We can see that the AUD USD has given us a double bottom, a double top around this level, which is on the forward time frame. A double top indicates a reversal move. Take a look at this AUD USD. It was literally trending up, it was going bullish. But right now, we are now having a reversal move. Basically, this AUD USD would be dropping downward to this level of 0.63. You can see it here. Currently, we are trading at 0.65. AUD USD will be dropping to a level of 0.63. Now, I'm going to tell you why. I will analyze it from the higher time frame so you understand this move. But before that, the mentorship program would be starting tomorrow, which is on Monday. So if you would love to learn how to trade AUD USD properly or any other USD pairs, then you need to join the mentorship, which will only last for 2 months. We are not looking to extend it for 5 months or 3 months or a yearly. No, within 2 months, every knowledge you need will be impacted to you. So before you actually go ahead and trade, you need to understand how to analyze this chart. The way I am analyzing it for you guys, I'm telling you, you should be able to know how to analyze it yourself. The price actions, the key levels, you should learn that. Strategies that works best. Psychology, you should be taught, you should learn the psychology, you should learn strategies, you should learn how to trade Nasdaq, gold. You'll be taught how to trade Nasdaq, you'll be taught how to trade gold, US and USD. That if you are interested. Also gold, WT and any other currencies, you will be taught how to trade that. The fundamental and news that moves the markets. You will be taught that how to enter the trade, how to take profits, how to exit a trade. You will be taught that the best indicators that you need, chart pattern that you should look out for, risk management, trade management, and so on. Everything will be taught in the mentorship. So if you are interested, the link to the mentorship program may be in the comment section. Back to our analysis on AUD USD. Like I said, we are heading straight to level of 0.63. That is what we'll be expecting on AUD USD. Now, another for confirmation again, if you guys want to see it, you will see that there's also a double top around here. You can see that at first when markets pushes up, there was kind of like a pullback here. Markets failed to give us a new lower lows. You can see it failed to give us a new lower lows. And guess what it did? It eventually gave us this massive drop. And now a pullback is playing out. So once this pullback plays out on AUD USD, expect another drop on AUD USD. So we should be expecting more sell on AUD USD for this week. So daily time frame, let's say, or the daily time frame, you can see it here. There's a change of character, or we can say, if you want, this was the higher highs, this is the higher lows, right? Then this is a new move that failed to give us a new higher highs. It fails to give us a new higher highs. Thereby, markets eventually drop and smashed this, taking out this previous higher lows, right? And guess what market did? It gave us a pullback upward. Now that this pullback has been made, what do you expect on AUDUSD? Of course, you expect a new lower lows. A new lower lows is what we will be expecting this week. So this week will be bearish for us on AUDUSD. So if you can sell to this level of 0. To a level of 0.65024, at least you should be making between 75 pips. How to enter this trade by risking small, how to enter this trade properly is what you will be taught in the mentorship. So if you would want to learn how to enter a trade properly, right, you should join the mentorship, which the link will be in the comment section.